Hi everyone, my name is John Stacey and I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager for Praetorian Technologies. I'm absolutely delighted to be able to bring to you today our newest product, the AACtivity. The AACtivity is a communicator as well as a musical instrument and offers a versatile range of functions to be able to get involved in lots of different fun and learning methods. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the AACtivity, the basic functions, ports and buttons, and then across a series of videos I'm going to show you all the different types of things that you can get involved with regards to the AACtivity and lots of different methods of using it. However, it's not exhaustive. It's ultimately a kind of Swiss Army knife of communicators, in a sense that you'll be able to get stuck into it and personalise it to your own needs. So let's get cracking. Okay, so straight into it, and this is the AACtivity unboxed as received. You receive the AACtivity unit. You'll receive a resource pack like this, which explains what levels have what sounds recorded on, what songs are under what level for the different formats, which I'll show you in future videos. You'll also receive the power pack. It's a plug-in device, so as you see in front of you there, you've got the power cord going into the left-hand section there, and it's a standard plug socket that you'll require, nothing fancy there. The volume button here is also the on switch, so it's as you turn the volume up it comes on, and I'll show you that in a moment. The pair and erase button here is straightforward. It pairs wireless switches, it pairs other devices that you can connect, and also acts as an erase button for anything that you've recorded. Again, I'll go through that as I go through the different functions. Your record button, self-explanatory again, it's what you press to start recording on the different levels. Here is an external mic output, so if you need to use an external microphone, or you'd like to, that can be a quite fun addition. However, it does have a built-in microphone set within the unit itself, so it's not required that you use an external microphone. Then we've got your two external switch sockets here. You can use wireless switches by pairing it, but if you were to plug in the switches, they'll be automatically set up to do the different scanning methods, which I'll go through in later videos, and they will counteract any wireless switches that you've paired up, so they will prioritise the wired switches. And then finally you've got your toy application unit, which you, again I'll show you later on, but you connect same socket as the other four 3.5mm jacks to a toy application adapter. So I'll turn on the unit now, and I'll show you the different ways you can set the unit up. But before I do so, it's worth pointing out we've got a 3-watt loudspeaker that gets to very high volumes if needed, and you've got your 8 coloured buttons on the front, with 2 LEDs on each button, as you'll see in the middle there. These will come into play quite significantly when I'm going through the instructions of how you go through each activity. So to turn it on,
AACtivity by Praetorian.
You simply turn the volume button up and you get the welcome message there. So to get going once you've turned the unit on and to select the activity that you require, it's as simple as choosing the activity reference to the number within your activity instruction manual by cycling through by pressing the activity button here. So you'll notice if I press it now, it comes up the orange one, which means we're on activity number 2. So you'll hear that as the LEDs power down after a couple of seconds, it tells you which activity you're in, and in this example we're in pre-recorded sounds. So if we wanted to move to, for example, music playback, we'd need to be on the 5th one along, which is the blue one. So we'd simply press the activity button until that lights up.
Music playback.
And you'd hear the music playback to explain that that's what activity we're in. You'll notice rather than going to the next 3, it goes straight back to the start when you're choosing the activity, because it is only the 5 functions that we have within the different methods. Record and playback is the first option you've got available, and that's what I'll tell you about next.